I'm Peter. Today marks my first day at university. And I can't help but feel a mixture of excitement and nerves bubbling inside me. As I step onto the bustling campus grounds, I'm greeted by a symphony of voices. Laughter and the occasional sound of a skateboard whizzing by. Taking a deep breath, I remind myself of the adventure that lies ahead. With my backpack slung over my shoulder, I follow the stream of students into the main building. The air hums with anticipation, and I can't help but feel a sense of belonging. Amidst the throng of eager faces, finding my way to the lecture hall, I take a seat near the back, trying to blend in with the crowd. The professor enters the room, and my heart skips a beat. This is it, the beginning of my journey into higher education. As the professor starts speaking, I find myself engrossed in the subject matter. The hours pass by in a blur of information and newfound knowledge. Despite the initial jitters, I begin to feel a sense of exhilaration at the prospect of diving deeper into my chosen field of study. During the break, I strike up a conversation with a fellow student who shares my passion for the subject. We exchange introductions and quickly bond over our mutual interests, easing my nerves and making me feel more at ease in this new environment. By the end of the day, I realized that my first day at university wasn't as daunting as I had imagined. Instead, it was filled with new experiences, friendly faces, and the promise of exciting opportunities ahead. As I walk out of the lecture hall, I can't help but smile, knowing that I've taken the first step towards a brighter future.
Bustling. Bustling. The marketplace was bustling with shoppers on the weekend. Anticipation. Anticipation. The children waited with anticipation for their favorite movie to start. Eager. Eager. She was eager to learn how to play the piano. Exhilaration. Exhilaration. The roller coaster ride filled him with exhilaration. Jitters. Jitters. He always gets the jitters before giving a speech. Mutual. Mutual. Their mutual admiration for each other's work strengthened their friendship. Daunting. Daunting. Climbing the mountain seemed daunting at first, but they eventually succeeded. Feel free to express any ideas you'd like to share in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video soon.